SKNATION, STEFFKICKS family. It's your boy, it's your guy, it's your homie STEFFKICKS, and I'm back at it with another video. Yeah, you good? What's up? Today's video is all about my favorite Jordan silhouette, the Jordan 3. We have the cool gray edition in today, and I'm super excited because I love this sneaker. There's a few other pairs that I definitely want to get, but this is another step in the right direction. So guys, let's dive right into the sneaker. But before we do that, you know we gotta take care of business. If you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you tuning back in. If this is your first time here, when you join the family, you get exclusive information on the latest drops every month, mall vlogs, SneakerCon vlogs, reviews, and unboxings. If that's something you're interested in, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel down low. Now let's go. The cool gray Jordan 3s, released on February 20th for the price point of $190 USD or $245 CAD. Pretty simple, basic box. Let's get into the sneakers, take these out. I've taken them out already, tried them on, walked around in the house. Let's get rid of this box. Very, very nice sneaker. Yes. Yes. There's just something about Jordan 3s that I love. I don't know what it is, but I just love them. The Jordan 3 Cool Gray is the second coming of the 2007 release, of which I missed. I missed that release, and I'm not happy about it. There's some people out there that are saying that this price point was a little too much, but I guarantee you in a few years, this sneaker will be worth much more. There's no question about that. As far as details of the sneaker, let's get into that. Now I know what you're thinking.
Cool gray Jordan 3s? Why?
You guys know. You got Jordan 1s, you've got Jordan 11s. Those are the sneakers that the general sneaker community loves. And for me, the Jordan 3 just does it. Like, this sneaker is so dope. It's got this like worn type of material on it, and it feels really good and plush. You've got your hits of gray and white on the midsole. The outsole is, of course, the same thing with your hit of red on the Jordan. It's the slight details about this sneaker that I love. That little hint of orange, goldish orange on the eyelids, the red Jumpman symbol, the white laces. On the back, you have the red Jordan symbol with the air in the same goldish yellow, orange. Can't forget your elephant print. That is the iconic symbol of any Jordan 3. You will always see that on a Jordan 3 regardless of the color of the shoe. In terms of my concerns, I don't know about this white sock liner. That's gonna get old and dingy and discolored. Not sure if I'm gonna like that. The insole is all white with the red Jordan symbol. I was a little disappointed that it did not come with extra laces. I would have loved to see some gray laces with it, maybe black or red, but certainly gray. I love to have that neutral color on my laces for all my sneakers, and this would have been a perfect sneaker to have the gray theme just run right through with these little hints of red and orange. If you were looking for the hype in this sneaker of all the people that would be endorsing it, if you were hoping that there was gonna be like a hype beast Travis Scott collab feel to this sneaker, no. That's not what this is about. This sneaker is more of a nostalgic type of sneaker, something that you can have to just bum around and still have your light flex with it. Pair of sweatpants, some jeans, a white tee, rock your little chain, and your watch, whatever. This is the sneaker that you need to have on the ankle area, that dotted leather type of feel to it. It's also in the same section as the eyelids. I'm really glad that Jordan Brand and Nike decided to re-release them. The 2021 edition Jordan Cool Gray 3s. Before we get out of here, guys, you know it is our custom to show love to the members of the SKNATION STEFFKICKS family. So let's get right to it. I want to give a shout out to one of the coolest guys I've met on IG, supports the channel, loves the videos, and is not shy to share that information, even positive or negative feedback about the videos. My guy Bread One. He's also a plug that you might want to connect with. He's got a lot of connections and access to a lot of sneakers and a lot of heat. He's also got a lot of vintage pieces, jackets, t-shirts, things that are really hot right now. Really cool dude. Go follow him right now on his IG. Bread One, salute you, bro. Lastly, I want to shout out another fellow shoe tuber, someone who supports the channel all the time, the Wisesole. He's got a really dope channel, really good content, keeps you guys informed as well. Hit up his channel, subscribe to his channel, follow him on IG. He gets all the heat and keeps you up to date as well. Wisesole, salute you, bro. SKNATION STEFFKICKS family. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today and checking out the cool gray 3s with me. I'm sorry I'm putting this video out a little late, but there's so much content that I have for you guys that is on the way. Please be patient with me. Also, make sure that you hit that like button. You guys have no idea how important that is. It tells YouTube that you enjoy the videos. There's a lot of work that goes into making these videos. We really appreciate it. It's free to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Hit that little bell notification and join the family. We are almost at our goal of 3,500 subs and our ultimate goal by the end of the summer to hit 5K subs. Pass the videos on to your friends, repost. Make sure that you're following me on my IG and my Twitter. It's your boy STEFFKICKS, and as we always say, shoe love is true love, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Yeah.